this is a query that is really, really prevalent, and it is, can we add HTML and JavaScript, I guess, into Squarespace? So, short answer, yes, we can. I do it all the time on basically every single website that I build. But there's this, what would we call it, this nagging misconception of Squarespace that you can't do code on Squarespace. It's just drag and drop, no code, and it's just not advanced. That is absolute nonsense. I've been trying to dispel these myths for the past 3-4 years, trying to tell clients who have been told by other developers who don't work on Squarespace, oh, you don't want to go there because that's for amateurs, you can't put code in there, you won't get the product that you want. So I've been trying to help them unlearn all of that bollocks, for want of a better word, and teach them and show them with my designs how actually you can add in as much as you want and you can make whatever site that you want. But that is sort of beyond the scope of this video. I won't go into a ramble. But the short answer, as I said, is yes, you can. So I'm going to show you where to add it and how to add it. So let's hop on over. There's a few places that we can add HTML to Squarespace, and the first is going to be the main way, which is if we go into settings and then we go into developer tools, we can select code injection, which allows us to put HTML into our header and into our footer. All you got to do is literally paste it in. So that's where you access the header and footer to add your HTML. You can also add JavaScript in there. And then the other way is to go into pages and then select the page that you want to add your HTML to, and then simply select the cog. Hit advanced, and this is where you can inject code into its header. And then the third way is to go into edit onto an actual page, and then we can use what's called a code block. So you'd click plus to add a block, look for code, and then you can either add a code block like so and put your HTML in there. You can add an embed, which allows you to embed stuff, but you can also put your code in here. And then you can also add a markdown block where you can add markdown and HTML in there. And these are all the ways that you can add HTML to a Squarespace website. If you found this video useful, please make sure to leave a like, hit subscribe, and check out all of the Squarespace resources in the description below.